How to make money on Instagram. Instagram itself wants you to make money through them. This is their top priority to help influencers and creators to earn their living through the platforms, as the CEO Mark Zuckerberg has a goal to make Instagram the best platform for influencers and creators. This is because they want to lose in heating competition against Snapchat, TikTok and YouTube. Whether you are Cristiano Ronaldo or not. I mean, even if you have a small number of followers but have high engagement like most of your followers do, like, comment and share your post, you can make money on Instagram. This is good news for potential influencers, as you don't need to be a celebrity with millions of followers. I mean, if you have followers in thousands, you can make a decent amount of money using the strategies that I will be sharing in this video. So stay tuned and watch till the end. But before we start the video, please make sure to subscribe to my technical solution and press the bell icon, as I'm sure nobody would like to miss the latest money making methods. Instagram has 1.7 billion total users worldwide and 5 million active daily users. Started as photo sharing app but now has turned into a business platform, and millions of influencers are making money using Instagram. Having 485 million followers, Cristiano Ronaldo alone charges $1.6 million for sharing a single post on Instagram. And who doesn't know Kylie Jenner? She shares and charges $1.5 million for the same work. Now, these were the best cases and they have the highest following as well. But even if an account with a small following having influence can make enough money, according to influence.co, Instagram account with 1 million followers can make $1,000 for sharing a single post. And there are super strategies to grow an Instagram account and turn it into a money-making machine that I will share at the end of the video. But before that, let's talk about the best ways to make money on Instagram. Number 1. By becoming an influencer and earning from promoting products. This one is the oldest and still most used way of earning money from Instagram. We all know Instagram followers and you are following some of them as well, but one needs at least 3,000 to 5,000 followers account with high engagement. Only then you will be able to influence people and sell your influence. If you have correctly positioned yourself and you are an authentic personality that can provide value to others' life, the brands are waiting for you to promote their product. For example, you share a photo or video using a product, or even if you're not using a product, you can share a link or a hashtag, or you can directly mention the brand and that brand will pay you. This is how influencers make money here. This was just basic. Influencing game on Insta is going up as some smart influencers have launched their personal brands and products. The famous and my favorite, Logan Paul, has launched his brand name Maverick Clothing, and that crazy guy made $30 million in just his first year. Number 2. How to do affiliate marketing right way to make money on Instagram. On Instagram, this is just like sharing sponsored posts. The only difference is you don't get paid only for sharing the post, but when someone buys the product through the link you shared, you will get an instant commission from the sale. You don't necessarily need to be an influencer to start affiliate marketing on Instagram, but yes, you can sell much more products if you're an influencer. The more followers you have and if you know what they need, the more sales you can make. But there is one problem with affiliate marketing on Instagram. You can't add direct links to your product. Either you have to shorten the link using link shorteners or link sticker to add to your story, or you can add a link to your account's bio. The best practice is to add all your links to any service like Linktree, and then you can share that in the bio of your Instagram. But before getting affiliate links, don't forget to check commission, as same platform like ClickBank offer more money for the same product as compared to others. Number 3. Start an Instagram shop. Do you know that you can show products from your e-commerce store directly on Instagram? This wasn't possible before, and there were lots of barriers to selling your e-commerce product on Instagram, but not anymore. They have made this process super easy for e-commerce stores owners by allowing you to integrate e-commerce stores into Instagram shop. Now you can show and sell the same product on your Instagram profile that are in your e-commerce store. Your followers can check your product in the shop tab, and then you can go to your store with just a single click. For example, you can upload a picture of your model wearing your outfits and tag up to 5 products on that picture. Number 4. Make money by monetizing your content. You can directly monetize your content on Instagram just like on YouTube. And there is not just a single way to make money on Instagram by your content. Let's have a look into all the options we have. One is Instagram videos. There were IGTV video options that were used to monetize, but Instagram has now merged IGTV and feed videos into Instagram videos. Business profiles on Instagram have an option of videos in the center of tabs, and uploading the video is just like before with extra editing options. If the content is original and the video qualifies for ads, then the eligible creator can make money and in-stream ads will be displayed on videos. 2. Live badges. This way your fans can show their support on your Instagram live. Viewers can buy badges of any of 3 levels: 1 for $0.99 and 3 for $4.99. You can send as a tip on your live broadcast. 3. Patreon and Substack. These third-party options are useful if you don't want to rely on just in-app features. Your audience can follow you for exclusive content on these platforms, but why would they follow you? For that, you have to establish an emotional connection with them and provide them with a lot of free value. Number 5. Take Instagram traffic to your blog or YouTube channel. How about you sell advertising space on your blog, or increase view and subscribers on your YouTube channel through Instagram? This idea is super easy. You can direct your followers and the users who see your post from the search bar to your monetized blog or YouTube channel. You just have to add a link to your blog or channel to your Instagram account bio, or adding a link tree having links to all your social media accounts would do even better. For example, if you are a cook or a foodie, you can post only pictures of food on Instagram and ask followers to visit your blog for full recipe. Or if you are a fashion influencer or blogger, you can post only highlights and reels and ask viewers to visit your YouTube channel. Taking this traffic to your affiliate links would earn you even more and the quickest money, and you don't need to monetize blog or monetize YouTube channel for this. So these were 5 methods to make money on this social media giant. We have discussed more than 5 methods that have combined some similar methods like traffic driving for Instagram and monetization on Instagram. Now let's talk about super strategy. As we have recently talked about, reach and engagements are important, but why? This is because brand and promoters pay you only to show their product to maximum people. The more exposure they will get, the more money they will make. Having more engagement gives you more chances to show your post in a search feed. This means exponential growth of your account. Last but not the least, before you start, choose a niche of your interest and brand yourself before creating content and reaching out to brands. If you have successfully built an audience and trust, you can make money on this social media giant with any of the method that we have talked about. See you in another video. Thanks for watching.